Let's turn to Texas now. A new law banning abortion from as early as 6 weeks has been signed in. The Texas Heartbeat Act, as it's called, bans abortions after the detection of what anti-abortion campaigners call a fetal heartbeat. But medical authorities say this term is misleading, and unlike past anti-abortion laws, this one gives individuals the right to sue doctors who perform abortions after 6 weeks. Most women are unaware they are pregnant before 6 weeks. Let's unpack this. We can speak to Carlis Chapman, constitutional lawyer at the Washington and Lee University School of Law in Virginia. It amounts really to an almost total ban, but this law has been drafted in quite a different way, hasn't it? Just talk us through that.
Yeah, so what is unique about this Texas bill is that unlike previous bills, which allowed enforcement to happen through the Attorney General, this bill allows enforcement by private citizens. What that means is that Planned Parenthood, Whole Women's Health, and other organizations that provide abortions cannot file for an immediate injunction and sue Ken Paxton, the Attorney General. Instead, they have to wait around to be sued by private citizens. What this also means is that, with courts backed up with COVID, there is the potential for this to linger and cause a lot of backlog in the court system. And in the meantime, women are going to suffer, if this bill is able to go into effect September 1st.
Because there are 12 other states, aren't there, who have what's called this heartbeat clause, but this is taking it one stage further. Is this unprecedented in the states?
It is. To give private enforcement and make an end run around the ability for the organizations to sue is really an attempt to block the bill from being blocked immediately. But what's interesting is every 6-week abortion ban has been stricken down. Every single one of them is unconstitutional under the current precedent.
Okay, and it has a wider impact as well on things like private health insurance and other areas of normal life as well.
I'm not sure about the private health insurance implications, but, it is possible that if the bill is allowed to go into effect, health insurers are not going to pay for a procedure that is illegal. The people who are really, really going to be hurt by this are the women who can't afford to travel to another state.
Yeah.
We're talking about, the Black and brown women, the low income women who are in Texas and would be in need of the procedure and not able to get one.
And I know a particular focus for you is that this goes against the 14th Amendment. Just to describe why that is.
Yeah, so in my scholarship, I've spoken a lot about comparative personhood and how the 14th Amendment guarantees equal protection. And a lot of these bills are claiming they are defending the personhood of fetuses. But my argument has been that, we don't protect people who are born. The unborn seem to have superior rights to natural persons who are walking and talking. The unborn seem to have superior rights to even their mothers. And I believe the current cases strike a balance, the proper balance of providing equal protection by protecting the constitutional rights of the mother until the fetus is viable versus just giving, unequal protection to a fetus from the time of conception.
Yeah, okay.